Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to install the Google Analytics code in your WordPress website so that you can use this valuable tool to track your traffic and visitor stats. In this video we're going to discuss two methods to install the Google Analytics code without using plugins. The first thing to do is to get a tracking code from your Google Analytics account by going to Admin, then Property, Tracking Info, and then Tracking Code. It should look like the code below. First, you'll need to locate and edit the header.php file in your WordPress theme folder. Log into your WordPress admin area and go to Appearance. From there, click on Editor in the submenu list. The header.php file should be right there in your right-hand menu. Click on it to edit the file. Google recommends to add analytics code snippet just under the head tag. However, it is also okay to add code anywhere between the open head and close head tag. Paste your Google Analytics code just underneath the head tag. Your code should now look something like this. After you have pasted the code, click on Update File button on the bottom of the page. The second method involves adding code to the function.php file. This way, the code will be added to all the pages on your WordPress site automatically. Again, go to Appearance and click on Editor. Press Ctrl F and look for the function.php file in the right-hand side menu. Now paste this code to the function.php. Don't forget to change the access with your actual tracking ID. Update your function.php file, and that's it. You have now installed the Google Analytics code to your WordPress website. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.